Welcome to another house tour video. Dito lang yan sa Grand Park Place Village. Located along Aguinaldo Highway in Jimos, Cavite. Beside Jimos Doctors Hospital at SM Hypermarket. Malapit lang din siya sa City Mall Anabu at Robinsons Jimos. This is the actual turnover unit, move-in ready, and gamit nyo na lang po ang dadalhin nyo. May Meralco at water supply na din po. Kaya if nagmamadali kayong lumipat ay perfect sa inyo ang house na ito. May isang room sa ground floor na pwedeng gawing maid's room or guest room or para sa mga kasama nating may edad para hindi na umakyat sa taas. Pwede rin siyang gawing office. The lot area is 150 square meter. Total developed area is 202.18 square meter. Ito naman ang door access papunta sa service area. With free 700 liters water tank. Paikot siya sa lanai area and sa parking area na kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. By the way, may mga available din kami na mga house sa Dasmariñas area along Governors Drive na malapit sa The Island Park, Dasma and Unitap Mall, Paliparan. If ang hanap mo ay sa area na malapit sa SM Dasmariñas, going SLEX Carmona exit area, ay mag-PM lang po sa page para sa information. With a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. And this is the master's bedroom. The master's toilet and bath with complete fixtures and bathtub. May abang na din for multi-heater installation. And this is the access for the balcony. This is bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. Complete with cabinets and vanity area. And common toilet and bath. The total selling price is 11,500,000. Reservation fee is 100,000. Minimum down payment is 20%. And the balance is payable through bank or in-house. We have discounts available for bank financing and syempre additional cash discount for cash buyers. House tripping is available every day by appointment. Just contact us on this page or this number.